Good morning, everyone. So, till now we have completed till page number 13 this part, the B part. I hope you all have done in your books. Now we will be starting with page number 13, the grammar portion. Now, here it is given choose the correct options. In the choose the correct options, what you have to do is you have to put do or does which will come in the sentence. Which is correct, you have to tick it. You have to put a tick mark which one will go in the sentence. Now, before doing this, I will explain you how to use do and does in a sentence. I will explain you what to do in these sentences. How to do in these sentences. Like does. Does is used with third person singular pronoun. Does is used when it is a third person. Third person is here who? He, she, it. Here third person is he. Like he is going to Goa. Does she like mangoes? Like this. Whether he, or you all know that what is he and she. He we use instead of boy and she instead of a girl. And it for the particular thing when we are talking about. So, does is used when? Does is used with the third person singular pronoun. When you will go in higher classes, you will able to understand the third person. Because it is a literature class, it's not a grammar class or a language class. But this is for the higher level. Third person we use in the higher level classes. There you will able to understand what to do. But I am giving you a small gist so that you can understand where to use do and where to use the does. So does where we use, where in the sentence you will see he, she and it. Now where we will use do. We use do with other personal pronoun. Do is used when it is a personal pronoun. For example, you, they, we. Personal pronoun where we will use do. D-O, do. Example, you, they and we. So, when in the sentence you will see he, she and it, you will use does. When in a sentence you see you, they, we. When it is a single person, you will use he, she, it. There you will use does. And where there is you are talking about a personal pronoun, there you will use you, they and we. Where you see in the particular number like you. Where are you going? Do you know this person? Like this. They, we. Got it? Now, this was a small gist how to use do and does. Where you see in the sentence he, she, it, you will directly go with the does. And where you see you, they and we, you will directly use do. Now we will start with the exercise. The first one. Dash he have a bicycle. Already he is there. I already told you where he will be there. What we will use? Does. Does he have a bicycle? Second, they dash not know the way. They, already I told you, they. Where you will use they? Where it is do. They do not know the way. Now turn the page. Here, his mother does not like his book. Here it is used his mother. He, his, she, then herself, her. These are all the words where we will use does. Then the next one. Does anybody have a pencil? Here you or anybody or somebody is there. So we will use does. The next one. She dash not like singing. She, so what we will use? Does. She does not like singing. We dash not go there often. We, already I told you, with we will use do. We do not go there often. Next, dash you speak Hindi. You, already you is there, you will use do. Do you speak Hindi? Next one, dash they always behave like this. Do they always behave like this, because it is they. So you will use do. She dash not like to eat fruit. She does not like to eat fruit. She is there, so you will use does. Next one. Dash he know how to cook. Does he know how to cook? Why we are using does? Because he is there. We always dash our work on time. We always do our work on time because we is here. Next one. He dash not understand Hindi. He does not understand Hindi because he is there, so we will use does. The next one and the last one. The dog is sick. It dash not wag its tail. The dog is sick. It does not wag its tail. So here we are finished up with the do and does. Now fill in the blanks with go and goes. We will start in the next video. Till then, please understand this and try to understand this, and with the examples which I have shown you and how to use do and does, practice in your rough copy with 5 sentence extra from this book. Got it, children? Be safe and thank you so much.